I just got a new Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 for my mobile video editing setup. Devices these days use glass for their outer shell, and to me that's a bit unnerving. Today I'm going to DIY a new tablet case to protect my recent investment, and I'm taking inspiration from one of my previous projects, the Laplet Binder. Stay tuned. I'm taking inspiration for this project from my previous Laplet Binder project. I feel this case is ideal for keeping my tablet related items together, but yet allows me to use it separately easily. It also provides reasonable protection while in or out of the binder, although out of the binder the tablet is a little less protected. You just need to be more careful. Although I'm taking my inspiration from a previous project, this will be a simpler design, easier construction in a smaller package. Let's get started. A warning before I begin, Velcro has an extremely strong hold. For this project, I only use 4 3/4-inch squares, one on each corner, to hold any device in place. Too much Velcro could risk bending the device when trying to remove it, so be careful with the Velcro. Here's a view of the parts you'll need. Extremely simple, except you may have to get the Kydex via Amazon. Basically, we have a 1/2-inch binder with the 3-ring attached to the back cover, not the spleen, a sheet of Kydex, and stick-on backed Velcro. You won't need a whole box like I have here. This is a large pack from Amazon. You can also get smaller amounts from the Walmart sewing department. On the long edge, mark the location of the 3 holes to line up with the 3-ring binder holes. Drill the hole using a 1/4-inch bit, then enlarge using a 3/8-inch bit. It sounds big, but too small a hole makes it difficult to set up the binder for keyboard use. The Kydex sheet should be cut with 1/4-inch borders around all sides of your tablet except one of the long edges. The one long edge should have a 1-inch border. Use Goop to glue the keyboard to the inside back cover. Use Velcro to mount the tablet to the Kydex using 4 small squares. On the left half of the inside front binder cover, put a 3-inch strip of Velcro. This is used in the keyboard mode to hold the top of the tablet in a spot where the tablet can be balanced upright without tipping over. The upright position for balancing the tablet can be unstable, but it works well on a flat surface. With enough desk space, I sometimes put the tablet to the side of the keyboard and just type that way. I actually like that setup the best. If you've noticed, the Galaxy Tab S4 does have a stylus, which I keep in the binder pocket. The fit in the pocket is pretty tight, so I don't think it will fall out. A useful tip for some of you, I found that my son's Galaxy Tab A10 stylus also works on the Tab S4. My goal for this project is to keep my tablet and accessories together in as small a package as possible. I'm less likely to forget something if they're all together, and it fits nicely in the laptop pocket of my backpack. I hope this tablet case can help you as well. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.